Spring is a great time to be in the garden in Victoria. We come into our own as the garden state. The sun's shining and there's no better place to be than out in the gardens. Here are some ideas for you to do out in the garden in November. It's good to be getting your turf in now, and what would be better than Sir Walter buffalo? And you know, it's actually bred here in Australia, so why not get some in? It's suited to our environment. It's tough, soft and good looking, but even better, it's an Aussie bred turf that's great in full sun and shade. It doesn't need a lot of water and it's salt tolerant, so it'll grow near the coast. It's also pretty low maintenance. It's a good time now to be putting in some colour ready for the festive season. Flowers that pack a punch and love the sun are petunias, alyssum, cosmos and of course begonias. If you don't know what to plant, come and see us at Bunnings and we'll give you some good advice on what to put in, and we'll show you around the nursery and you can make your choice. Don't forget the veggie patch. It's the perfect time to get things in for the summer season. Plant eggplant, capsicum, sweet corn, cucumber, zucchini and pumpkin seeds. Mix it up with some Digger's heirloom vegetable varieties to explore different flavours and colours, and of course for extra nutrition. There's nothing better than picking veggies and herbs for the table. They taste great. And in November we'll be picking our salad greens, our snow peas, we're still pulling our carrots, and if we keep picking our parsley, it'll stop it from going to seed. And of course we've still got our silver beet and lovely greens. Now that we're midway through spring, there's plenty of maintenance jobs to do in the garden. Give your plants a boost with liquid feed, they'll thank you for it with rapid growth. And look after your pots too and give them some slow release fertiliser. Mulch is your best friend this month. Get it on the garden before the weather heats up. Pea straw or lucerne are good choices. They'll protect the soil and improve it as they break down. Weeds will grow like billy-o this month and when the weather warms, so pull them out while they're young and before they flower. Improve your soil too where it needs it. Add gypsum and compost to improve the soil structure. It's a great time of the year to be out in your garden in November, so get out there this weekend and really enjoy it and make the most of it. If you're having a bit of trouble with your garden, come in and see the expert team at Bunnings and we'll be there to help you every step of the way. Click here for more gardening advice. Click here to go back to the website.